AI is moving faster than ever, and every week, something new comes out that blows our minds. Whether you're into productivity, design, finance, or cybersecurity, there's something for everyone. But don't worry, you're not going to miss anything. We've got you covered. Welcome to X-AI Toolverse, your go-to channel for discovering the most powerful, latest, and viral AI tools. In today's video, we're diving into some fresh AI tools that were launched recently and have already started gaining serious attention. Let's start with AWS AI Agent Marketplace, launched by Amazon Web Services on July 15, 2025. This new platform acts like a digital storefront for ready-made AI agents. Imagine needing help automating tasks like appointment bookings, email responses, or order management. You can now find pre-trained AI agents to plug into your system with ease. Designed for business owners, developers, and productivity teams, the marketplace simplifies AI adoption without needing to build from scratch. Its edge lies in seamless integration with AWS cloud infrastructure, making deployment fast and scalable. While other platforms like Zapier and Microsoft Copilot offer automation, AWS's deep AI agent catalog and cloud-native advantage are what set it apart. In the future, expect to see it become a go-to hub for enterprise-grade AI solutions. Next up is the Perplexity Comet Browser. Released on July 9, 2025 by Perplexity AI. It's not just a browser, it's your co-pilot for online research. This AI-powered browser understands what you're looking for and actively summarizes articles, finds sources, and even chats with you in real time. Ideal for students, researchers, and content creators, Comet brings intelligent browsing into the mainstream. Features like conversational search, integrated summaries, and a distraction-free interface make it a strong alternative to Chrome or Edge. Its uniqueness lies in blending browsing with an assistant-like experience, a space where traditional browsers have barely ventured. Comet is gaining attention fast, especially for academic and professional workflows. Another interesting one is Grok 4 by X-AI, launched on July 9, 2025. Developed by Elon Musk's AI venture, this model is built to be a bold alternative in the AI space. Grok 4 isn't just smart, it's multimodal. That means it can understand text, code, images, and even memes. Designed for power users and meme culture lovers alike, Grok 4 balances humor with high-level reasoning. It challenges models like GPT-4 and Claude 3 by offering fewer content restrictions and a more rebellious personality. While still in early stages, its flexibility and open-ended nature make it popular among Gen Z and AI developers seeking creative freedom. Expected to evolve quickly as the X-AI ecosystem grows. Let's move to a more serious field with Google's Big Sleep, unveiled on July 16, 2025 by Project Zero and DeepMind. This tool tackles cybersecurity threats by automatically identifying and disabling vulnerable domains before they can be exploited. Targeted at web hosts, security analysts, and enterprise IT teams, Big Sleep acts like a watchdog for the internet. What makes it unique is its proactive approach. Instead of reacting after a hack, it prevents breaches before they happen. Competing tools often focus on patching systems after the fact, but Big Sleep adds a crucial first layer of defense. This launch gained huge traction after reports surfaced that it had already stopped a major exploit in testing. Shifting gears to finance, Intuit's AI agents for QuickBooks made headlines this July. These smart agents help small businesses with bookkeeping, bill payments, and financial planning, all without human intervention. Built directly into QuickBooks, they work in the background to categorize expenses, alert users about anomalies, and even suggest financial strategies. Compared to existing accounting assistants, Intuit's solution benefits from deep integration with financial data and decades of user history. It's ideal for small business owners, freelancers, and accountants who want to cut down manual work and avoid costly errors. On the enterprise front, Cognizant launched its Agent Foundry on July 10, 2025, a platform for building and managing AI agents at scale. This tool is especially relevant for large organizations wanting to roll out AI across departments. It offers customizable governance, performance tracking, and seamless deployment pipelines. Competing with platforms like IBM watsonx or Google Vertex AI, Cognizant's Foundry emphasizes compliance and control, especially for regulated industries like finance and healthcare. It's gaining attention as enterprises demand safer, more manageable AI ecosystems. Next one is Kling AI's Ketu 2.1, launched on July 11, 2025, brings cinema-level visuals to image generation. This advanced version of Ketu allows creators to generate highly stylized visuals based on very specific prompts. Think product commercials, cinematic posters, or fantasy scenes, all AI made. Its upgrade includes better lighting control, depth simulation, and motion-aware framing. While tools like Midjourney and DALL-E dominate this space, Ketu 2.1 is carving its niche with photorealistic artistic quality. Digital artists and ad agencies are already experimenting with it. Figma also joined the AI party with its new toolkit, released earlier this July. Called Sites, Make, Buzz, and Draw, each module is designed to assist with different creative workflows. From building websites to generating UI layouts or writing catchy social copy, Figma's AI acts as a co-creator for designers and marketers. Its big strength? Seamless integration inside the Figma environment where teams already collaborate. Unlike Canva's magic tools or Adobe Firefly, Figma's toolkit feels native and collaborative, making it a hit among UI/UX teams and startups. Next one is Anthropic's Claude 4, released July 2nd, 2025, is pushing the boundaries of what an assistant can be. Rather than waiting for instructions, Claude 4 can take initiative, follow complex tasks over time, and ask clarifying questions. Like a real teammate, it's designed for researchers, analysts, and professionals who work on multi-step projects. Competing with GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5 Pro, Claude 4 stands out with its focus on autonomy and learning. While still limited in scope, it represents a big step toward truly helpful digital assistance. Finally, there's Flow by Google, a fusion of VO and Imagine models launched in early July. This all-in-one platform lets users generate videos, images, and presentations from a single text prompt. It's designed for content creators, educators, and media houses who want fast, high-quality visuals without switching tools. By combining the strengths of both video and image generation, Flow competes directly with platforms like Runway ML and Pika Labs, but with Google's computational muscle behind it. It's still in early access, but the creative potential is massive. These 10 tools highlight how fast the AI landscape is evolving. From finance and cybersecurity to design and automation, each one brings something new to the table. Whether you're a business owner, a creator, or a tech enthusiast, now is a great time to explore and experiment. Don't forget to check out more such updates on X-AI Toolverse. And if you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly drops from the AI frontier.